In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to modify the logo template in your Freshbooks account. Let's jump right in and make your business presence truly stand out with a personalized touch. We'll begin this process by heading over to the Freshbooks interface. Now, the first step you want to take is to look for the Settings option. This is usually located on the navigation panel, typically towards the bottom or side of your screen. Clicking on Settings is your gateway to customizing numerous aspects of your Freshbooks experience. Once you're in the Settings menu, it's time to direct your attention to the Brand Appearance section. This is a crucial area where you can start expressing your business's unique identity. It may be nested under a broader category like Business Profile or something analogous, depending on updates in the interface. So, take a moment to carefully scan for the appropriate section to ensure you're in the right place. Next, let's focus on how to make the logo update. In the Logo, or sometimes referred to as Banner section, you'll discover a button that probably reads Choose File or Upload from your computer. This is the exciting part where you can upload your brand's logo. Simply click that button to access files on your device. Choose the logo file that you want to make part of your Freshbooks documents. Make sure your file is in a compatible format, typically JPEG or PNG work perfectly. And keep an eye on the size too, as larger files might take a bit longer to upload or may not be supported. After you've selected the file, the next step is to finalize the upload. Look for a button labeled Upload Logo or Save Changes. This step is essential as it applies your new logo to all future documents and invoices that Freshbooks generates. It ensures that everything leaving your virtual office proudly displays your brand's identity. While these instructions might sound straightforward, paying attention to details ensures the process goes smoothly. If you're uploading a high-resolution image and encounter any issues, consider resizing it to meet Freshbooks specifications without losing clarity. Remember, your logo is the face of your business, and presenting a crisp, professional image is key to leaving a lasting impact. Once you hit that final upload or save button, your new look is ready to go live. You might want to create a test invoice or document just to see how it all looks and ensure everything is displaying just the way you imagined. And there you have it, a revised identity for your Freshbooks account that's uniquely yours. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope your freshly branded documents take your business to the next level. Don't forget to check back for more helpful tips on optimizing your productivity tools. Until next time, keep innovating and personalizing.